Unni Mukundan hits and flops all movies list. Number 1 Seedan released in 2011 flop. Number 2 Bombay March 12 released in 2011 average. Number 3 Bangkok Summer released in 2011 flop. Number 4 Tal Samayam Urpin Kutti released in 2012 flop. Mallu Singh released in 2012 super hit. Number 5 Ejam Suryam released in 2012 hit. Number 6 Teevram released in 2012 average. Number 7 The Hit List released in 2012 hit. Number 8 I Love Me released in 2012 flop. Number 9 Itu Pati Ramanal released in 2013 flop. Number 10 Orissa released in 2013 hit. Number 11 D Company released in 2013 average. Number 12 The Last Supper released in 2014 flop. Number 13 Vikramaditya released in 2014 super hit. Number 14 Rajadi Raja released in 2014 hit. Number 15 Fireman released in 2015 hit. Number 16 Samrajyam 2 released in 2015 flop. Number 17 KL10 Pattu released in 2015 average. Number 18 Style released in 2016 super hit. Number 19 Janata Garage released in 2016 blockbuster. Number 20 Orumurai Vantu Partaya released in 2016 hit. Number 21 Achiyans released in 2017 flop. Number 22 Avarude Ravukal released in 2017 flop. Number 23 Client released in 2017 flop. Number 24 Tarangam released in 2017 hit. Number 25 Masterpiece released in 2017 super hit. Number 26 Aira released in 2018 flop. Number 27 Bhagamati released in 2018 super hit. Number 28 Chanakya Tantram released in 2018 flop. Number 29 Michael released in 2019 average. Number 30 My Great Grandfather released in 2019 flop. Number 31 Patinettam Padi released in 2019 average. Number 32 Mamangam released in 2019 blockbuster. Number 33 Brahmam released in 2021 hit. Number 34 Meppadian released in 2022 flop. Number 35 Bro Daddy released in 2022 hit. Number 36 12th Man released in 2022 average. Number 37 Kiladi released in 2022 flop. Number 38 Pyali released in 2022 super hit. Number 39 Yashoda released in 2022 super hit. Number 40 Shifikinte Santosham released in 2022 average. Number 41 Malikapuram released in 2022 blockbuster. Number 42 Kadikan released in 2023 average. Number 43 Jai Ganesh released in 2024 average. Number 44 Garudan released in 2024 blockbuster. Number 45 మార్కో ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ టాక్తో రన్ అవుతోంది.